If you have ever felt confused about how to make 15-minute videos on legal matters or wonder how to protect yourself legally, you are in the right place. Today, we are talking about how to make 15 minutes video on legal matters or wonder how to protect your legally. I will break it down step by step so it's easy to understand and help you avoid common mistakes. Stay with me till the end of some valuable tips that could save you time, money, and stress. Let's get started. Creating a 15-minute YouTube video about legal service involves careful planning, research, and execution to ensure the content is informative, engaging, and accurate. Here is a detailed breakdown. First is define your target audience. Identify who you are addressing. Example, individual, small businesses, startups, or families. Understand their need and common legal concern. Example, contract, will, trademark. Second is select a specific topic. Choose a focused topic within legal services to keep the content clear. Example, how to create a legally binding contract. Second is understanding the importance of a will. Top 5 legal mistakes a small businesses owners make. How to protect your intellectual property. Third is plan the video structure. Opening 1 to 2 minutes, introduce yourself and the topic. State the purpose of the videos. Example, hi, I am your name and today we will cover the basis of creating a will to secure your family future. Main content 10 to 12 minutes. Break the topic into section or a step. Use clear, simple language to explain legal concept. Provide example or scenario for better understanding. Address common question or misconception. Highlight why professional legal assistance is important. And closing scene 2 to 3 minutes. Summarize key point. Encourage viewer to take action. Example, consult a lawyer, draft a document. Include a call to action. Like, share, and subscribe for more legal tips. Fourth is a script development. Write a detailed script to ensure accuracy and flow. Use short sentence and avoid exclusive legal jargons. Encrypted, engaging phrases and conversational tones. Fifth is visual aids. Include slides, infographics, or animation to simplify complex legal terms. Use on-screen text to emphasize key points. Add B-roll footage. Example, courtrooms, lawyers in action for varieties. Six is legal disclaimers. Add a disclaimer at the start or end. Starting the video is for informational purpose only and not to substitute for professional legal advice. Example, this video is intended for informational purpose only. For personalized advice, consult a licensed attorney. Seventh is recording and equipment. First is camera. Use a high quality camera or a smartphone. Lighting. Ensure proper lighting for a professional appearance. Audio. Use a good microphone to capture clear sound. Background. Keep it clear and relevant. Example, a desk, a book shelves. It is editing. Use editing software. Example, Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, or DaVinci Resolves to trim unnecessary part. Add transition and effect. Include royalty-free background music. Insert your logo or branding. Ninth is SEO optimization. Title. Use a clear and keyword research title. Example, top legal service you need to know. Description. Provide a detailed description with links to resource or your website. Tag. Include relevant tag. Example, legal advice, lawyer tip, small businesses, legal services. In a thumbnail, design an eye-catching thumbnail with bold text. 10th is call to action. Encourage viewer to engaging. Leave your question in the comment. Visit our website for more resources. Subscribe for weekly legal tips. 11th is promote the video. Share the video on your website, social media, and legal form. Engage with viewer by responding to comments. With these steps, your 15-minute videos will provide valuable content, enhance credibility, and attract an audience interested in legal services. That's all for today. I hope this video helped you understand how to make 15-minute videos on legal matters or wonders, how to keep yourself a little better. Remember, having the right legal knowledge is so important in protecting yourself and your future. If you have any question or needed more information, leave a comment below. I'd love to hear your thought and help where I can. Don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who might find it helpful, and subscribe to Fildaski for more simple and practical legal advice. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next videos.